Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Binance NFT. The fundamental way to engage with the Binance NFT marketplace is by establishing a verified Binance account. This account acts as your essential gateway, allowing you to explore, purchase, and sell digital collectibles. Completing identity verification is a crucial step to unlock all features and ensure a secure trading experience on the platform. To begin, you must register for a Binance account, which is a straightforward process. You can sign up using your email address or mobile phone number. Remember to create a robust and unique password to protect your digital assets. Following registration, completing the identity verification, or KIC, is mandatory for full access and secure transactions on the platform. Once your Binance account is verified, log in through the website or the mobile application. On the home page, navigate to the NFT section, often found within a More or Menu drop-down. For your initial visit, you will be prompted to review and accept the Binance NFT marketplace's terms and conditions, which is a standard procedure. While your Binance account is the primary connection, you can also deposit NFTs from external wallets. This involves connecting a compatible wallet, such as MetaMask or through Wallet Connect, directly to your Binance NFT profile. The platform supports major networks like BNB Smart Chain and Ethereum. Remember, a small, one-time gas fee is typically required for each NFT collection you deposit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.